What I'm going to show you is how I ask a horse to give me his foot. The horse is far better at picking up his feet than I am. So what I'm going to do is start on the off side, and I'm going to use the chestnut. And so the video will follow me, and I'm going to show you how I ask a horse for that. Hi, baby. Okay. The first step is just having the horse realize you want him to do something with his foot. Good boy. Okay. So you know where the chestnut is. I'm just basically putting my fingers around the chestnut. And if nothing happens, I just touch them a little bit with my nails until something happens, and I let it go, stand up, and tell the horse it was the right thing. He took weight off of the foot. Took a lot of weight off the foot. And lifted his foot up. Only ask for one response and then stop asking. The beautiful thing about this is you don't have to bend all the way down, and the horse is going to bring his foot up to you. If you don't get a response, green grass is very tempting, then just exert more pressure with your fingernails. Okay. Can you get me from that side just so you can see? Good boy. Good boy. Just go ahead and stay there. Good, Mr. Ace. The front feet are the easiest. For the back feet, I start here. I run down with my hand, can you get just look kind of like from the back end, around the back of the leg. Then my fingernails go on either side of that ligament just until I get a response. I'm not actually pressing. I used a little fingernail pressure on both sides equally, not a death grip. I'm going to come back this way just a little bit, honey. I'm going to turn him around. Just so you get a different angle. So that's basically what I do. I use the horse's chestnut as the cue. Eventually, all you have to do is just tickle it, touch it, or even start to put your fingers on it. The horse will just pick their foot up. Now, of course, they're not going to be perfect every time, just like he knows how to do this. But when they're distracted, it takes longer. Just stay there, put a little more pressure with one fingernail even, and just hold it until you get some response. And eventually, when you reinforce this, it becomes easy. They hand you their foot, and you don't have to reach for it. They can't waddle around, and it's far safer and easier for both of you.